Trend Break Targets is a technical analysis tool designed to assist traders in identifying trendline breakouts and projecting potential price targets based on market geometry. Unlike fully automated indicators that guess trendlines, this tool provides you with precise control by allowing you to manually pivot point the trendline to specific points in time, while automating the complex math of target projection and structure mapping. Theoretical basis and concepts. This indicator is grounded in classic technical analysis principles found in foundational trading literature. It automates the following methodology: drawing a trend line between two key points to represent dynamic support or resistance, identifying a breakout when the price closes above or below this line, potentially signaling a change in trend, calculating a price target by measuring the vertical distance between the breakout line and the last high/low pivot, then projecting that same distance in the direction of the breakout. This concept is based on methods and measured move theories explained in classic books such as Technical Analysis of Stock Trends by Edwards and McGee, Technical Analysis of the Financial Markets by John Murphy, and in Thomas Bulkowski's Price Pattern Studies. How it works. Pivot-pointed trendline construction. The script draws a trendline between two user-defined points in time, start date and end date. It calculates the slope between these points and extends the line infinitely to the right, allowing you to define the exact structure, e.g., a resistance trendline on a wedge. Breakout detection. The script monitors the price source, high, low, or close, relative to the extended trendline. A bullish breakout, BC, occurs when the close crosses above a bearish trendline. A bearish breakout, BC, occurs when the close crosses below a bullish trendline. Dynamic target projection, the math. Upon a confirmed breakout, the script automatically calculates three distinct targets by identifying the most significant swing point, pivot, prior to the breakout. Distance, d, the vertical distance between the trendline and the pivot price at the specific bar where the pivot occurred. Target 1, T1, the breakout price plus or minus, distance times 1.0. This represents a classic 1:1 measured move. Target 2, T2, the breakout price plus or minus, distance times 1.618. Based on the golden ratio extension. Target 3, T3, the breakout price plus or minus, distance times 2.618. Market structure, chalk. The script includes an optional change of character, chalk, module. This runs independently of the trendline logic, identifying local swing highs and swing lows based on the swing detection length. It plots dashed lines and labels to visualize immediate shifts in market structure. How to use this tool. This is an interactive tool that requires user input to define the setup. Identify a setup, locate a clear trend, wedge, or flag pattern on your chart. Set pivot points, go to the indicator settings. Input the exact start date and end date corresponding to the two main touches of your trend line. Monitor for breakout. The script will extend the line. Wait for a BC label to appear. Trade management. Once BC prints, the T1, T2, and T3 lines will instantly render. These can be used as potential take-profit zones or areas to tighten stop losses. Settings and configuration. Indicator settings. Start/end date, the timestamp pivot points for your trendline. Price source, determines what price, high or low, pivot points the line and triggers the breakout. Pivot left/right, adjusts the sensitivity for finding the pivot before break, used for target calculations. Extend target line, how far forward the target lines are drawn. Visual style. Colors, fully customizable colors for the trendline, breakout labels, and each target level, T1, T2, T3.